Well, I would certainly tell anybody who's looking at investing in future high-rise construction to look at Rock and Della and have them help analyze, do a feasibility study, and see if it is worthwhile and get a more accurate projection of rents and market availability, and it really does help in coming to a decision on whether you want to proceed or not.
About 2 years ago, we decided to actually take 2 properties and turn them into rentals as opposed to condominiums. And so one of the first things that we did was to get the feasibility study. And because of the long-standing relationship I'd had with Rock and Della, I brought Derek in to meet the team.
We have 2 sites that we've had feasibility studies done on. One is in St. Catharines and one is in Kitchener. And very good information came out of them. The information we got was absolutely all usable, and as such, we are going ahead with those projects as rental housing.
He brought to the table, I guess, all of the experiences that he was, incurring as to, the excitement of building rental. 2 years later, we're about ready to start our first project.
I have to say that what it does, it gives us from back to front in one report all of the information we need for one site. So it looks at locational criteria, even the rents that we need to be charging. It looks at supply and demand, all of the information in one cover. Not only can we use it internally for our decision making, but we're actually able to use it with our financial institutions, potential joint venture people that want to partner with us. We hand them a Rock report, and it seems to give us the best credibility that we can with whoever we're speaking with. So we're really appreciating the depth of the reports that have been done for us.
We are lending experts, not industry experts. We know what needs to be done to get financing. I have friends all the time ask me, well, why don't you develop? I'm not a developer. So when I get a deal in, I do require feasibility studies. I do require market data. I use that to get me to where I need to be. So I think I never would understate the value of consultants to bring us to where we need to be.